He can blank Spanish. Speak, speaks, speaking. The key word here is can. Remember guys, can, could, may, might, must, should. We call these words modal verbs, and they're followed by the base verb. No S, no ing, just the verb speak. She can speak Spanish. My wife is more intelligent, blank me. From me, than me, to me. Here I compare between my wife and me. When I compare between two people or two things, I say taller than, smaller than, faster than. If the adjective is long, we say more expensive than, or more interesting than. Notice guys, we use than. In all comparatives, we use than. Here I compare between two people, my wife and me, using more intelligent than. So the answer is than. If you blank carefully, you will not have an accident. Drive, will drive, drove. So this is if conditional 1. If is followed by two sentences, sentence 1, comma, sentence 2. If here, sentence 1 here, comma, sentence 2. The rule says the verb in sentence 1 should be in present simple. And in sentence 2, well plus the verb. Here we have well, and here's the comma, so this verb should be in the present simple. So this will, future, wrong. Drove, past, wrong. Drive is the present simple. So if you drive carefully, you will not have an accident. Here's a question for you. If you blank hard, you will pass the exam. Study, studied, will study. What's the answer here, guys? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching.